In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your front grille on a Nissan Frontier, located on the front of the car. So you have 6, 3 on this side, 3 on the other side of these body pins for the grille. And just get a body trim tool and get right in there, pop the centerpiece up. You can use a flathead screwdriver too, whatever you have at hand. Over on the driver's side now. So once you take the top tabs off, you can pull the grille out a little bit and get your arm in here, and you'll see these plastic tabs. There's 6 of them going straight across. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on the other side. That little flat bar underneath it, you're going to push up with one finger and push, and then do that straight across. Gives you a little bit of a hard time. Don't be afraid to get a flathead screwdriver or something to help you. And you just grab your grille and lift it out. So now to replace the grille, you're going to line up the 6 tabs that are on the slots on the bottom. Across the bottom, you've got 3 per side. Line them right up with the bumper cover that has the slots in them. You're going to have to tilt the grille cover just to line right up, and then you're going to push it in until it clicks. And then you have 6 plastic push pins on the top. Sometimes when they're new, they're kind of tough to put on. So you got 3 on each side of the grille. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.